Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode where we make managing your digital assets straightforward and secure. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH from Binance to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, ensuring your Ethereum is safely stored in a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is more important than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a Binance account with some ETH in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Fiat and Spot, to view your assets. Step 2. Find your ETH balance and click on Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you'll need to search for Ethereum, ETH, in the asset list. Step 3. Now, on your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app by navigating through your device menu. Once it's running, connect your Ledger to your computer and open Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab and copy the ETH wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Step 4. Back on Binance, paste this address into the Address field. Double-check that it's correct. One wrong character could send your ETH to the wrong place. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and select your network. Stick to Ethereum, ETH, for compatibility. Step 5. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Binance might ask for additional verification, like 2FA, so have that ready. Once you're good, hit Confirm on Binance, and then approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by checking and confirming on the device's screen. Step 6. Sit back and wait. Transactions usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. You can track it in Ledger Live or on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. Your ETH is now safely transferred to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto space. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.